Hi everybody, Clint Thomas here from RKN, your CPAs. It is almost the end of 2019, it's hard to believe. And I just wanted to send you best wishes, holiday greetings, Merry Christmas, whatever you happen to celebrate this time of year. It is a amazing time to think back and be grateful for all the things that we have been given, so many gifts in this life. And life is short, so enjoy every moment. We're so grateful to serve so many of you throughout the year, and this time of year we're busy doing a lot of things. Many of our clients, you've already received our new proposals for tax services coming up this coming year, both maintenance services with tax preparation, bookkeeping, accounting work, as well as the advisory work that we're now doing, all on a flat fee consistent basis, unless you've already let us know that you wanted to opt out. We're very excited about that, and we have sent out prior notification about that as well, but we'll continue to remind you about how that benefits everyone. We're also sending out our tax organizers. Should be in your hand hopefully by early January, hopefully in most cases by January 3rd, if not the following week of January 6th for the 2019 year, so you can start gathering all your documents and get those back to us like you always do every year, so we can get your returns started. A couple of things on the wire. Recently, the new Secure Act has been passed. Just some great things in there, some bad things, but mostly good things that we'll be talking further about in further monthly newsletters. But the Secure Act looks like it's going to be a winner for taxpayers, and also the tax extenders that expired back at the end of 2017. There's a few things in there that look like they're coming back that we'll be looking through our files and notifying certain clients that may benefit from amending their 18 return for certain things that are some of those old extenders that are coming back. So some exciting things happening in the world of tax right here at the end of the year. People always ask me this time of year, what are some year-end tax tips I can do? Last minute, here we are, we got a week left before the end of the year. And one thing I want to make sure you're reminded of, especially for those who are older, if you turned 70 and a half last year, so last year, I mean 2018, then you had until April 1st of this year to really take your first RMD out of your retirement accounts. And then you really, by 12/31 of this year, need to be taking your second RMD. So if you have any questions on that, give us a call here in the office. But 12/31 is a deadline with some pretty severe penalties if you forget to take your RMD in that year after you turn 70 and a half. So hopefully that makes sense. But call us if you have any questions, if that applies to you. And then finally, if you're a business owner, we have a lot of business owner clients who are looking for just some quick tax tips at year end. We have a lot of the strategies that usually apply that in traditional tax planning, you would try to defer income. You would, maybe delay some billings perhaps so that you receive the income next year. Prepay anything that you can as far as accounts payable or prepaid expenses and so forth. Excuse me. Put new assets in place by year end. Don't just order it, but also make sure you receive it and put it in place. That will definitely help you under some of the immediate expensing rules. But an interesting case came up this week where we were doing some planning for one of our clients who is an S corporation. And they typically like to take out some year-end bonuses and so forth. But under the new law, with the new 20% qualified business income deduction, it actually benefited them to not take those bonuses this year and leave more money in your company so that you could have a higher QBI deduction passing through to the owners. So the world of tax is just not quite as straightforward as it used to be as far as year-end tax planning. So we have the tools and sophistication to really look into some complex modeling that will actually allow you as business owners to make the right decision, which will ultimately keep more cash in your pocket, which is our goal. We're always here guiding you forward at RKN. So we love serving you all. This time of year is just such a time to look back and be grateful. So hope you all have time to do that here and take a respite from the busyness of the holidays. And we do wish you all the best personally for you and your families and your businesses. And we are looking forward to a really wonderful 2020 ahead. And hope you have a wonderful end of the year. And give us a call anytime here at RKN. Thanks.